Find the cosine of theta for the triangle shown below. When finding the cosine, we can start out with writing SOHCAHTOA. And from this portion of SOHCAHTOA, we know that the cosine of any angle theta will be the length of the adjacent side divided by the length of the hypotenuse. So from this angle's perspective right here, the adjacent side has a length of 3, so we have the numerator taken care of. But what we don't have is we don't have the length of the hypotenuse. So let's call that length of the hypotenuse c and use the Pythagorean theorem to solve for c. In this case, 3 squared plus 2 squared is equal to c squared. 3 squared is equal to 9. 2 squared is equal to 4. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. And the last step is to take the square root of both sides of that equation. The square root of the left-hand side is the square root of 13. Square root of the right-hand side is c. I don't need the plus or minus in front here because we are looking at a length c. So we now know the length of the hypotenuse, so we can solve the problem. We want the length of the adjacent side, which is 3, divided by the length of the hypotenuse, which is the square root of 13. So the cosine of theta here will be 3 divided by the square root of 13.